Hey, what's up, fellas? Yes, it's me, and today we're talking about a certification which can kickstart your IT career in cloud technology. I'm talking about Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ-900. It is beginner-friendly, requires no IT experience, it is super affordable, and best of all, it requires no coding experience. Sounds pretty cool, right? You want to learn more? Stick around because this video is loaded with valuable information that you don't want to miss out. Are you ready for this? Let's do it. So what is AZ-900? AZ-900 is an entry-level certification from Microsoft that teaches you cloud fundamentals. No coding or technical experience is required, just a solid understanding of cloud basics. So what is cloud? Guys, think of cloud technology as electricity. You don't build a power plant to use it. Instead, you plug in your device and use it, and you only pay what you use. In this case, storage, computation, and more, but in the cloud. So who is this for? Who should take this exam? If you are an IT beginner, a student, a job seeker, or somebody who's already doing IT but you want to level up your game, AZ-900 is perfect for you. Like I said, it requires no prior IT experience and no coding experience whatsoever. Sounds good so far? Stick around. AZ-900, what does it cover? The exam covers 4 main areas. Cloud concepts, where you learn what cloud computing is and the different type of cloud, such as public, private, and hybrid. Azure services, where you explore tools like Azure virtual machines, storage, and networking. Security and compliance, where you learn basics of security, access, control, and compliance. Pricing and support, where you understand Azure billing and how to estimate cost. Simple enough? Let's get going. Is AZ-900 really worth it? Guys, AZ-900 adds real value to your resume. It shows your potential employer that you know the basics of cloud technology and you're ready for entry-level cloud jobs. This is also your first step towards more advanced cloud certifications such as AZ-104 and AZ-305. And guys, Microsoft certifications are accepted worldwide, no matter where you apply. You cannot go wrong with this one. So what kind of jobs can you apply after completing AZ-900? Guys, after completing this certification, you can start applying for jobs such as Cloud Support Associate, IT Support with Azure, and Junior Cloud Admin. I tell you what, small, medium, or large companies doesn't matter. They all value AZ-900. Now, how would you prepare for the exam? You can log in to learn.microsoft.com and access the material. It is beginner-friendly, easy to learn, and did I mention it's completely free? Oh, I love free stuff. You can also watch a complete course on YouTube channel named freecodecamp.org. And guess what? This is also free. Man, I love this stuff. Guys, the exam itself costs $99 in USA, but sometimes you can get it for free through your college or a free voucher. I would highly recommend you take the practice exam at least twice before attempting the real deal. I try my best to point you to the free resources so you don't have to spend a whole lot of money. Besides, I think education should be free. Final thoughts? Guys, remember, cloud is the future. And as a beginner, this exam will lay down a strong foundation in cloud technology for you. That's why I highly recommend this course. So this is it, folks. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe and like, and ask me any questions you may have. I'll be more than happy to answer. I got more exciting videos coming up for you guys, for IT beginners just like yourself. Until then, stay motivated, stay focused, and don't listen to anybody but your mama. I'll see you soon. Ciao.